All right, guys, how to make money on TikTok in 2021. It's not too late for TikTok. So today marks my 4th week on TikTok with a brand new account. I opened one on December 6th, Sunday, December 6th. It is Sunday, January 3rd. And in that 4 weeks, let me go through it with you a little bit. I've made 30 posts, gained over 20,000 followers. I follow just over 100 accounts, 20,000 followers in 4 weeks. Videos have been viewed over 560,000 times, over 500,000 views. This week, I actually have 2 Zoom meetings set up with potential marketing clients who found me because of the account. I'm earning an average of $1.82 every day from the TikTok Creator Fund. So they've got this fund where they've set aside some of their ad earnings, and they're paying it out to creators on the platform who qualify. I think you have to have so many views, 10,000 followers, be putting out original content, some different things. They qualified me for that a couple weeks in. And, I put on a kind of funny Instagram. All the years I posted for there never paid me to post. I monetized it. I found a way to make money from it and still do, but they never paid me to post. So all in all, with affiliate commissions, some course sales, and the Creator Fund, I've earned about $96 in this first 4 weeks on the platform. And it's been a blast. I'm a consumer too. I've spent a lot of time consuming the videos, and now I'm kind of in the marketing, make money niches. So that's showing up on my For You page. I'm learning a lot of cool stuff, meeting some cool people. Really enjoy it. So what has been the secret to 20,000 followers in 4 weeks and making some money is all $96. Everybody's showing their $3,000 commissions, their $5,000 commissions. Listen, I'm not selling you on this hype affiliate stuff that they're doing. All that stuff. I'm not showing you my Lamborghini. I drive a Kia. I ain't trying to show you all the $3,000, $10,000, $30,000 I'm making money. I'm 100, keeping it 100 with you, and that's one of the things I think people appreciate about my content is the authenticity. No hype. Not trying to scheme you or sell you on something. And that this is going to go back how to make money on TikTok long term, right? But, so let's slow down just for a minute. Now, these 30 posts that I made, you can only go up to a minute. Even if I edit them, which not all of them I do, some of them I just record right there looking at the camera or filming something, and bam, it's done. But let's say that I've spent a few minutes on a few of them editing. I had to cut some pieces out or move a piece around or do a voiceover, something like that, which I've done a few times. So if we look at the 30 and we say I've averaged 2 minutes, most of them I didn't, they were under a minute, but I averaged over the 32 minutes a clip. That's 32 minutes, 60 minutes. So an hour, $96 for an hour's work. Not too bad for my first 28 days on the platform. Another thing too, these 2 potential clients, they may be people I just offer free advice to. It may be people who pay me for a one-time consulting fee. That often happens. But if they turn into regular clients, that's going to be, if both of them, I landed both of them, that would be $1,000 to $3,000 a month retainers. So I could easily argue if I sign those contracts that, and let's say they stayed with me 3 months, 6 months, a year, what would my first month on TikTok value be then, right? So what is kind of the key to success? How does this apply to you, and how can you make money? So what I've done is I've tried to refrain from selling anything, pushing anything. People are getting involved in affiliate marketing because they think there's money to be made, but they're not doing it thinking about the end consumer in mind. They're picking a product that's easy to get into, easy to sell, or easy to make money, or pays the highest commission. I don't agree with that. I think what you need to do, and the easiest way to do that for any of you, is to make interesting content, make educational content, make authentic, real content about things you know about, care about, and want to share with other people. And so what I do is I like to get on there and talk about marketing tips and tricks that I know. I don't care to give away my secrets, the best stuff, because here's what happens. One of the emails I got, the client, potential client says, You have great information. I'm overwhelmed with what I'm doing in my business right now. I don't have time to learn this. I don't have time to do this. I'd be interested in talking to you. This happens to me quite a bit from YouTube too. I'd be interested in talking to you about maybe seeing if we could work together, hiring me. So that's going to happen. So I don't care to give away the secrets, right? Those who can't afford me can take the knowledge that I give them and go out and do something with it and better their business, and I've sown something great into the world. Those who can't learn it, don't want to learn it, don't have the time to learn it, can hire me. It's a win-win either direction. The other thing I do is I talk about real tools that I use. Like I just did a post a minute ago, and one of the things I made sure that I did was I showed my receipts where I had been paying for this specific tool that I use online to do keyword research. I've been paying since July of 2019. I showed all my receipts. I'm not selling you something that I don't actively spend money on. I referred it. I put a referral link in my link tree. So if somebody else likes the information, says that's a cool tool, I want to go use it, then I can receive compensation for that. It doesn't cost them anything extra. And it's a way I can earn without getting into anybody's pockets. So I feel really good about that. And if they don't use my link and they go another direction, I don't care either way, right? It's going to come back to me. The other thing is I talked about a supplement that I use that I truly believe in. Really, really love this supplement. And I talked about it in one of my videos, and I made sure that I linked to it. So I've earned Amazon affiliate commissions off of that. But it's an actual supplement that I take and that I love. And so I didn't mind recommending that. I wasn't doing it to get the money. I was doing it because I want other people to take the supplement, because if it helps them the way it helped me, that's great. I want to sow that into the world, and I might get lucky and get some compensation back. But I think that's it. There's things in your life that you use and know about and believe in, whether it be things you're buying on Amazon, things you're doing for your kids, things you're doing at your work, and you can talk about that. And whether you find them on Amazon or Walmart or some other places, most websites now have affiliate offers. All of those places do. I think almost all of those have affiliate links that you can create. And so talk about stuff that you really know, that you really use, that you find really valuable, because if you do, somebody else will. And people usually wouldn't mind sharing in an affiliate link to go find out about something that you educated them on. So that's what I would do. I would talk about things that I am truly passionate about, excited about, know something about, and personally use. And then I would share that information. And then I would put affiliate links in my link tree, in my bio, on TikTok, and just watch it snowball. If you're putting out good information, people are going to respond and say thank you. They're going to comment, they're going to heart, they're going to duet, they're going to share. Those are all things that's going to cause your account to continue to grow and people to respect you and to keep coming back for more information from you and sharing your information with their friends and their circle of influence. The technical side of it, I see a lot of people teaching how to grow and catch trends on TikTok. I don't know if that stuff works or not. My highest video, I think, has 300,000 views or something like that. Has no song in it, wasn't following a trend or anything like that. I do think there are a couple things. Obviously, number one is the good content, good authentic content that helps somebody. Number two is you got to use the right hashtags. I would try to find something that maybe is in the hundreds of thousands or millions. You start getting up into hundreds of millions or billions, starts obviously getting drowned out and more competitive. Now, the flip side is, if you put hashtags in about parenting or relationship advice or Amazon purchases or blogging, affiliate marketing, whatever it is, they're going to start to use the affiliate marketing hashtag, the parenting advice hashtag. They're going to start showing that to other people on their For You page who might be who have watched other parenting advice videos. And if they like what they see, they'll show it to more people. And if they comment, they'll show it to more people. And it just kind of spreads and grows like that. So that will get you showing up, but it's got to be good content. So I think good content, number one. I think the right hashtags, you got to experiment with that. I think you need to put a cover, a title cover. And again, this goes back to good keyword research. This comes back to good titles, so that people are drawn into and want to look at it, think it might be good information. So you got to kind of captivate them with the title. I think that's important. And then lastly, I'll show you the timing is, I do think, plays an important role in this as well. All right, so if you go back inside to your analytics inside of TikTok, you're going to be able to look at your follower activity, and you can see the time frame that people were on the app. And you can see it's pretty consistent for my followers. Now, here's where I think people are messing up and why it's important to listen to me, what I'm saying right here. So as you can see, this is showing 8 p.m., right? Kind of the peak time. 10 p.m., 9 p.m. So 8, 9, 10, right, is really the peak for my people each night. You really want to launch a video about the time that obviously it's these peaks right here, right? Sometime in there, because the first few minutes, maybe the first 10 minutes of the video's up, you really want it getting likes, and you want it getting comments and hearts and shares and duets and all. That's going to signal the algorithm to keep showing it to more people and allowing it to grow. Now here's the trick, the key. This time is UTC, Universal. I'm on Eastern. So if I looked at this and I thought to myself, okay, as long as I'm doing it by 10 o'clock tonight, and I tried to get in at 10 o'clock Eastern, that's where people are making a mistake. UTC is 5 hours ahead. This graph is in UTC. It's 5 hours ahead of Eastern. So actually, for this week here, and it could have been because of the Christmas season, and not a lot of people are working, but around 5 o'clock my time, most people are on this app consuming my content, or my followers are active. So that's good to know. That time frame you need to realize is in UTC. Compare it to your time zone. So now, instead of coming in here, I think a lot of people are trying to put their stuff in at 7, 8, 9, 10 p.m. It really should be 3, 4, 5 p.m., right? Because it's 5 hours behind. So that's another little trick. So those are the things I think are important if you want to make money. You know, share something affiliate wise that you truly use, care about, and know about, and can talk about. Sharing expensive. Don't just choose products because of the money. Choose products to serve people. Use the right hashtags. Use the right title cover. And then make sure you're using the right time frame. And if you do those things, I guarantee you're going to make some money very easily by helping people and serving people on TikTok. Hope that you find that to be a blessing. Let me know if you have any questions. If you want me to go into more detail about any of this stuff, I'd be happy to.